Hey everyone, MrTass here at MrTass 3D Print Shop. This is the last of my little mini series of international travel accessories that I've picked up for a trip that I have coming up. Obviously, you can use these also if you're not international, but just in general. So we saw I did a universal power adapter, some passport, RFID blockers, some phone holders, and an anchor version of this, which has 10 foot. This is going to be an Amazon power adapter that I'm trying to look for something that's small, compact, easy to take with me, and can't beat the price. At 10 bucks, this gives you 3 USB outlets, one USB-C 15 watt, 2 USB-A 12 watt on a 5-foot extension cord in this cube form factor here. And you can see the images off to the side there with a flat plug. So yeah, I like to cruise also, and on cruises, I'm going to use the 10 watt anchor one that I did a video on to do the long length to where I'd sleep or the beds, but then I'll use this 5-foot to go under the bed so I have power on both sides of the bed. This could also work for hotels and things that way. But you can see different outlets. And I wanted this cube design versus a longer strip type design because I feel this is going to be more compact and easier to take with me. And let's just get into it and see what we got. This video should give you a good idea for the sizing, which was my question. So here we go. We've got the Amazon box here, kind of standard Amazon packaging. Now I do need something to get into said Amazon box. I did not plan that very well. All right, here we go. There we go. Come on, Lego. All right, so inside the box, we've got the power adapter, we've got a manual, Amazon Basics, just gives you the specs, so we'll set that aside there, and this comes with a little plastic baggie, and here we go. Now this is actually also bigger than I thought it would be. So I had mentioned that with the anchor one that I did the video on. This one has a little more, is a longer cable, but you can see even against the anchor one, Amazon one is even bigger. So if you like even a little smaller portable size, the anchor might be the way to go. But for the Amazon and for the price, this was 10 bucks versus 30 bucks. You got a little power port there. On the top, you've got the USB-C, which says 15 watt, the two 12 watts, and then you've got 3 AC adapters and a reset switch. Little legs there. And so that is the cable. This one does not come. The anchor one had a Velcro strap, which was nice also. But you can see size fits on in your hand. Still more portable than a normal power strip to have the 3 outlets on it for travel. And it does have that flat type cable here, so it's not sticking out quite as far if it would be that way. So I think this will work. This will do what I need it to. A little chunkier on that cube than expected, but not bad at all. And it's nice that you can turn things off and on from the power switch there. But plenty of USB, plenty of ports. Hopefully this will do what I need it to on my travels. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. There's also Amazon affiliate link if you're interested in getting one of these or something else. And I appreciate it. And until next time, thanks everyone.